Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, greens, nuts, and berries with DIY tips to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Get ready to boost your health with these simple and delicious hacks. Right, let's kick things off with a breakfast champion, kale. Now I know what you're thinking, kale, for breakfast? But trust me on this one. We're going to make these brilliant little smoothie packs you can keep in your freezer. Grab a bunch of fresh, vibrant kale, give it a good wash, then tear it into manageable pieces. You can use curly kale or lacinato kale, whatever tickles your fancy. Portion out the kale into freezer bags, chuck in some frozen fruit like berries or bananas for sweetness and a splash of almond milk. Seal them up tight, lay them flat in your freezer and voila, breakfast sorted. Just grab one in the morning, whiz it up in your blender and you're good to go. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, this leafy green is a proper little superstar. Next up, we've got quinoa, a total lifesaver for busy weeknights. This little powerhouse is a complete protein, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids, plus it's packed with fiber. Get a big pot bubbling on the stove, rinse your quinoa, and then add it to the boiling water. Lower the heat, pop a lid on, and let it simmer away for about 15 minutes until it's fluffy and delicious. Now, here's the beauty of quinoa. You can use it in so many ways. Whip up a vibrant salad, toss it into a hearty breakfast bowl, or even serve it as a simple side dish with your favorite protein. It's a blank canvas for flavor, so get creative. Let's talk about blueberries, those little blue gems bursting with flavor and antioxidants. We're going to make a simple but scrumptious breakfast parfait that'll set you up for the day. Grab some natural yogurt, the good stuff with no added sugar, and layer it in a glass or jar with granola for crunch and a generous handful of blueberries. You can even add a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Blueberries are a fantastic source of vitamins and antioxidants, making this parfait not just delicious, but super good for you too. Now for a real breakfast treat, chia seed pudding. It's so easy to make and it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Simply grab a jar or bowl, pour in some chia seeds and add your choice of milk. Almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, whatever you fancy. Give it a good stir, pop it in the fridge and leave it to work its magic overnight. The chia seeds will soak up the milk and transform into a creamy pudding. In the morning, add a dollop of honey for sweetness, some fresh fruit for flavor and texture, and you've got a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Avocado, the king of healthy fats. We all know avocado toast is a classic, but let's get a bit adventurous and try some different variations. Grab a ripe avocado, scoop out the flesh, and mash it up with a fork. Spread it generously on your favorite toasted bread, and then let your creativity run wild with the toppings. Cherry tomatoes for a burst of freshness, a perfectly poached egg for extra protein, or even some smoked salmon for a touch of luxury. Avocados are bursting with healthy fats and potassium, making them a brilliant choice for a wholesome breakfast or snack. Spinach, a true nutritional powerhouse. But sometimes, who has the time to wash and chop fresh spinach every day? Here's a brilliant hack: spinach ice cubes. Grab a blender, whiz up a big bunch of spinach with some water, and then pour the mixture into ice cube trays. Freeze them overnight, and you've got ready-to-go spinach cubes you can pop into smoothies or soups for an instant nutrient boost. It's a brilliant way to sneak in those greens without even realizing it. Let's round off the day with a soothing drink: turmeric golden milk. This golden elixir is not only delicious but also packed with anti-inflammatory benefits thanks to the turmeric. In a saucepan, gently warm up some almond milk. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of the turmeric. Whisk it all together and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Pour into your favorite mug, take a sip, and feel the warmth spread through you. Need a quick and healthy snack to power you through the day? Almond energy balls are here to the rescue. These little bites are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making them the perfect pick-me-up. In a bowl, combine almond butter, oats, honey, and a handful of chopped almonds. Mix it all up until it forms a sticky dough. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and pop them in the fridge to firm up. They're perfect for grabbing on the go when you need a boost of energy. Broccoli, a cruciferous hero. For a quick and healthy dinner, let's whip up a simple stir-fry. Chop up some fresh broccoli florets, mince some garlic, and get your wok or frying pan nice and hot. Add a drizzle of sesame oil, toss in the garlic and broccoli, and stir-fry until the broccoli is tender crisp. Add a splash of soy sauce for savory depth, and you've got a delicious and nutritious side dish or light meal. Serve it up with some brown rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying dinner. Let's shake things up with a healthy twist on toast: sweet potato toast. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a fantastic alternative to bread. Slice a sweet potato thinly, pop the slices in your toaster, and toast until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Spread some mashed avocado for creaminess, add a dollop of nut butter for protein, or even top it with a poached egg for a hearty breakfast. Sweet potato toast is a versatile and nutritious way to enjoy a familiar favorite with a healthy twist. There you have it, the ultimate DIY guide to superfoods, greens, nuts, and berries. Try these simple tips and hacks to easily boost your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and delicious recipes.